So this is the first question, right? So we have to find the derivative of ln of 2x minus what? 3. Are you there? So our f of x is equal to ln of what? 2x minus 3. So using chain rule, we are going to have that what? D over the x of what? F, then g of what? X. F of what? G of x is equals to f prime, right? Of what? G of x. We differentiate the f, we give the g of x constant, right? Then times what? G prime of what? X. That is what? Chain rule. Are you there? So what are we going to have now? Using these things to differentiate this, we are going to have f prime of x, which is the derivative of x, right? Is equals to, now, which one is our f here? This ln, right? So, derivative of this thing is just like ln of this whole thing here. Just assume that is what? X. Because from what we did here, we say that derivative of what? ln of what? X is equals to 1 over x, right? So we assume that all this thing here is what? X. So finding derivative of this ln of what? X. Finding derivative of this ln of x is supposed to give us what? 1 all over x. True or false? If we already assume that this is x, right? But it is not x, we are having 2x minus what? 3. So what will it now be? 1 all over 2x minus 3. Good. You see it now. So then times g prime of what? X. Which one is our g prime? This one, right? So if we differentiate this 2x minus 3, that's what it's trying to tell us. This one is our g of x. Then g prime means finding the derivative of this. Over the x of what? 2x minus what? 3. If I like, I can still put this thing here. Times b over the x of what? 2x minus 3. Are you there? So our f prime of x will now be 1 all over 2x minus 3, right? Times, let's differentiate this. Using this thing, power of differentiation. Y is equal to 2x minus 3. The y over the x will be what? Derivative of 2x. You know that this x is carrying power 1 here. True or false? So 1 times 2 is what? Differentiation is all about removing 1 from this word. Power. Are you there? So we subtract 1 from the 1 that is here. Then minus derivative of a constant is what? 0. Anything that is not carrying any variable is what? A constant in differentiation. Are you there? So we have many constants, but for this one, it's not carrying any variable. It is what? 0. So the y over the x will be what? 2x, 1 minus 1. 0. So we have 2 times x to the power of 0. 2 times 1 is what? Good. So we are going to have 2 here. True or false? So our f prime of x will be what? 1 times 2 is what? 2 over 2x minus 3. This is our answer. For the derivative of what? This function. Don't be afraid. They will not ask you this thing in your head. It's just for the purpose of this derivative of natural log and all those things. So, any question? Okay.